A fraction is a part of a whole number. If there is a one whole number and we divide it into two equal parts, that is called fraction. Like you give a part of cake to your friends, you have to share chocolates as well as, so all those we cut it into equal parts are called fraction. It is written in the form of a upon b, where a and b are integers. In a fraction, denominator is not equal to 0, and if denominator is equal to 0, it's not called a fraction. Let's see some representation of fractions. So this is a big circle. See the second circle. The circle is divided into two semi-circle equal parts. So what is the fraction? We write it 1 upon 2 because one part is shaded and there are two parts. So total number of parts written in the denominator and how much we have considered is written in the numerator. Let's see third circle. Total parts are 4 and only one part is shaded. So the fraction is what? 1 upon 4. Now let's see types of fractions. So as you can see here, the first one is a proper fraction. So when the numerator is less than the denominator, it's called proper fraction. See the example 3 upon 4. Okay. Next one is improper fraction. So when the numerator is greater than the denominator, it's called improper fraction. Example is 7 upon 4. Next is mixed fraction. It's a mixture of natural numbers and a proper fraction. Like example is a 3 whole 4 upon 7. Next one is equivalent fraction. So the fractions with the same value like 1 upon 2, 3 upon 6, 5 upon 10. These are the equivalent fractions. Now let's see exercise 2.1. Question number 1 is solve 2 minus 3 upon 5. So you can see 3 upon 5 is in fraction and 2 is a normal number. So 2 also write in fraction. Now the denominators are 1 and 5. Both are different. So you have to find the LCM. Okay, because the denominator should be same. So LCM is 5 means 2. So we will write here 2 into 5 minus 3 into 1. So 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 upon 5. Okay, so 10 minus 3 is minus 7 upon 5. Now see the third one also. Third is 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Now both the numbers are in fraction but both the denominators are different. So we will make it same. For that we will find the LCM. So 5 and the 7 LCM is what? 35. Okay. So in this 5 when you will multiply 7 then only the denominator will become 35. Okay. So if 7 we are multiplying in denominator, so we will multiply in the numerator also. So we will write 3 into 7 and plus 2 into, now see here the denominator is 7. So in the 7 we will multiply 5. 7 5s are 35. Okay, then only it will become 35. So same in numerator also we will multiply 5. So 3 7s are 21 and 5 2s are 10 upon 35. So answer is 31 upon 35. Okay. Now see the last one. 8 whole 1 upon 2 minus 3 whole 5 upon 8. Now both are in mixed fraction. So first we will convert it. So 8 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. And here 3 into 8 plus 5 upon 8. So 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17 upon 2 and minus 8 3s are 24 plus 5 29 upon 8. Now you can see here the denominators are different. So we will find LCM. So LCM of 2 and 8 is what? 8. Okay. Now in this 2 we will multiply 4, then only it will become 8. So same as in numerator also we will multiply by 4. So 17 into 4 minus 29 into 1. So 17 into 4 68 minus 29 upon 8. It will come 39 upon 8. Now let's see the second one. Arrange the following in descending order. Now see the question. It is 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 21. So first we will convert into like fraction. Means all the denominators should be same. So for that first we will find the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. So it will come 63. So first one is 2 upon 9. So in 2 upon 9, when we will multiply 7, then only the denominator will become 63. So 2 upon 9 into 7 upon 7, it will come 14 upon 63. Now see the second one, 2 upon 3. So in this 3 we will multiply 21, then only it will become 63. So it will come 42 upon 63. And the last one 8 upon 21. So here we will multiply 3. So 8 3s are 24 and 21 into 3 63. Now all the three fractions are like fraction. Now easily we can identify. The smaller one is 14 upon 63. Then next one is 24 upon 63. Then next one is 42 upon 63. So now 14 upon 63 means 2 upon 3. Less than 24 upon 63 means 8 upon 21. And the last one is 2 upon 9. It's completed. Okay. Now let's see question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 whole 1 upon 2 centimeter long and 10 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Let's see the solution. The sheet of paper is in rectangular form, okay, and the length is 12 whole 1 upon 2 centimeter and the breadth of the sheet is 10 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter of rectangle. So the formula is 2 in bracket length plus breadth. This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Now put the values. So 2 in bracket 12 whole 1 upon 2 plus 10 whole 2 upon 3. Okay. This is equal to 2 in bracket what will come? 12 into 2 is 24 and plus 1 is 25 upon 2 and plus 10 into 3 is 30 plus 2 is 32 upon 3. Now 3 and 2 we will find the LCM. So LCM will come 6. Okay. Now both the denominators we will make same. So this 2 we will multiply by 3. So same as numerator 25 into 3 and plus this side 3 into 2 6 will come. So same as numerator 32 into 2 what? 62 will come. So 2 in bracket 75 plus 64 upon 6. Okay. Then 2 into 75 plus 64, it is equal to the 139 upon 6. So this 2 and denominator 6, we will cancel it. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. So it will come 139 upon 3. Then we can convert into the mixed fraction. So it will come 46 whole 1 upon 3 centimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 46 whole 1 upon 3 centimeter. Question number 5. Find the perimeter. First one is triangle ABE and the second one the rectangle BCDE in this figure whose perimeter is greater. So scholars, as you can see here, one figure is given and there are two parts. One is a triangle and the second one is a rectangle. Okay. So first we will find the perimeter of triangle. So the formula is what? Sum of all the sides. Okay. So AB plus BE plus AE. Put the values. AB is 5 upon 2 centimeter. BE is 2 whole 3 upon 4 centimeter. And AE is 3 whole 3 upon 5 centimeter. Okay. So first convert into like fraction. So 5 upon 2 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 upon 4 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is what? 18 upon 5. So now you can see here all the denominators are different. So we will find the LCM and the LCM is 20. Okay. So what will come here? 2 into 10 means 5 into 10 plus 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. Okay. So 11 into 5. This is 55. Then 5 into 4. 20. So same as 18 into 4. So it will come 50 plus 55 plus 72 upon 20. The total is 177 upon 20. Now we will convert into mixed fraction. So it will come 8 whole 17 upon 20 centimeter. So the perimeter of a triangle is 8 whole 17 upon 20 centimeter. Now the perimeter of rectangle. So here the length and breadth both are given. It is 7 upon 6 centimeter and 2 whole 3 upon 4 centimeter. Okay. So put the values. 2 in bracket 2 whole 3 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. Then next line 2 in bracket what will come? 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. Now again find the LCM. It will come 12. So 4 3s are 12 means 11 into 3 plus 6 2s are 12 means 7 into 2, that is 14. So 33 plus 14, it will come 47 upon 12. Okay. So this 2 and 12 we can cancel. So 6 are 12. So it will come 47 upon 6. Now we can write into the mixed fraction 7 whole 5 upon 6 centimeter. Okay. So the perimeter of rectangle is 7 whole 5 upon 6 centimeter. Now we have to compare which one is the greater. So scholars, you can see here the first one means the perimeter of triangle is the greater than the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. Now let's see question number 7. It is Ritu had 3 upon 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? See the solution. The part of apple eaten by Ritu. This is equal to the 3 upon 5. Okay. And the part of an apple eaten by Somu. This is what? So the part of an apple eaten by Ritu, that is equal to 3 upon 5. And the part of an apple eaten by Somu, that is what? 1 minus 3 upon 5. Why? Because the remaining part, okay, means remaining apples was eaten by Somu. So it will come 1 minus 3 upon 5, means 5 minus 3 upon 5. Okay, so it will come 2 upon 5. Now comparing the parts of apple eaten by both Ritu and Somu. The larger share will be more by 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. So 3 minus 2, this is 1 upon 5 part. Okay, it means Ritu's part is 1 upon 5 more than Somu's part. Now question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 upon 2 hours and Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 upon 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? See the solution. Time taken by Michael to color the picture, it is equal to the 7 upon 2 hours. Okay, and time taken by Vaibhav to color the picture, this is 3 upon 4 hours. Okay, so first we will convert into like fractions. So how we will convert? See the denominators. One is 12 and one is 4. So the LCM is what? 12. So this 3 upon 4 we will convert. Okay, means the denominator we will convert into 12. So here we will multiply 3. So 3 upon 4 into 3 upon 3 means 3 3 is a 9. So 9 upon 12 this will come. So easily we can compare this 9 upon 12 is greater than 7 upon 12. It means 3 upon 4 is greater than 7 upon 12. So Vaibhav worked longer time, and Vaibhav worked longer time by 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. 3 by 4 means 9 by 12. So 9 minus 7 it is 2, means 2 by 12. So we can write 1 by 6 hours. So Vaibhav took 1 by 6 hour more than Michael. So exercise 2.1 completed. Let's see exercise 2.2. Let's see the first question. Which of the drawings A to D show 2 into 1 upon 5 means 2 times 1 upon 5, and this 1 upon 5 means total number of parts are 5 and out of 5 one part we want. Okay, means one part should be shaded. So see the figure number D. There are total 2 figures. Okay, and in each figure how many parts? 5 parts. Okay, and one part is shaded. It means this is the first answer. Now come to the second one. It is 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, means 2 parts of 1 by 2. Means 2 figure of 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means the total part should be 2, and out of 2 one part should be shaded. So figure number B. There are 2 pictures. Okay, and in each picture the one part is shaded. Okay, so this is the second answer. Third is 3 into 2 by 3. It means the total 3 pictures and total part should be 3, and out of 3 2 parts should be shaded. So which one? Answer number 1 means A. There are 3 pictures and in each picture there are 3 parts, and out of 3 the 2 are shaded. See the last one, 3 into 1 by 4. So total 3 pictures and total number of parts are 4, and out of 4 one should be shaded. So answer is C. So scholars, this second one try to do yourself. Now see the third one. Multiply and reduce the lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. First one, 7 into 3 upon 5. So 7 into 3 is 21 and 21 upon 5. So this 21 upon 5 we can convert into mixed fraction. So 5 fours are 20. Okay, and 1 is left, means the whole mixed fraction is 4 whole 1 upon 5. See the second one, 4 into 1 upon 3. So 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 upon 3. So convert it. So it will come 1 whole 1 upon 3. Third one, 2 into 6 upon 7. So 2 into 6 is what? 12 upon 7. So again convert into mixed fraction. So 7, 1 is 7, and how much is left? 5 is left. Okay. So the mixed fraction is 1 whole 5 upon 7. Okay. Question number 4. Shade 1 upon 2 of the circle in box. So 1 upon 2 of means into. Okay. And the circles in the box means total how many circles? Count, this is 12. Means 1 upon 2 into 12. Okay. Means 12 upon 2, it means total 6 circles. Means we have to shade total 6 circles. Second one, 2 upon 3 of the triangles in box. So 2 upon 3 into total how many triangles? There are 9 triangles. Okay. So 2 upon 3 into 9. So this 3 and 9 we can cancel. Okay. So what will come? 3 3s are 9. Means 2 into 3. It means 6. Okay. Means total 6 triangles we have to shade. Now see the last one. 3 upon 5 of the squares in box. So 3 upon 5 into number of squares are 15. So again we will cancel it. So 5 3s are 15. Okay. So what is left? 3 into 3. It means 9 squares. So total 9 squares we have to shade. Now come to the next question number 5. This is same as question number 4. So scholars, this question try to do yourself. Okay. Come to the question number 6. See here, the question is multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So see the first one, 3 into 5 whole 1 upon 5. So first this mixed fraction we will convert into like fraction. Okay. So 3 into 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is what? 26 upon 5. Means the numerator is 3 into 26 upon 5. 3 into 26 is what? 78. 78 upon 5. Now convert into mixed fraction. So it will come 15 whole 3 upon 5. Okay. See the second one. 5 into 6 whole 3 upon 4. Again this mixed fraction convert into like fraction. So this will come 6 4s are 24 plus 3. This is 27 upon 4. Okay. Means 5 into 27 upon 4. So 5 into 27 is 135 upon 4. Then convert into mixed fraction. It will come 33 in whole 3 upon 4. See one more. Third one, C means 7 into 2 whole 1 upon 4. This mixed fraction convert into like fraction. So this will come 9 upon 4. Okay. So 7 into 9 is 63 upon 4. Now convert into mixed fraction. So this will come 15 whole 3 upon 4. Now question number 7. Try to do yourself and see the question number 8. So the question is, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. So first one, how much water did Vidya drink? And the second one, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Let's see the solution. Total quantity is what? 5 liters. Okay. See the first one. Vidya consumed how much? 2 upon 5 parts. Okay. Means 2 upon 5 of means into. So 2 upon 5 into 5. So 5 2s are 10. Or what we can do? Directly we can cancel 5 and 5. Okay. So it will come 2 liters. So Vidya drank 2 liters water from the bottle. And Pratap how much? Pratap consumed how much? 1 minus 2 upon 5 part of bottle. Okay. So 1 into 5 is 5. 5 minus 2 upon 5. It will come 3 upon 5 part of bottle. So Pratap consumed 3 upon 5 of 5 liters water. So 3 upon 5 into 5. So 5 and 5 is cancelled. What is left? 3 liters. Okay. Means Pratap drank 3 upon 5 part of the total quantity of water. So scholars, your exercise 2.2 completed. Okay. For worksheet, you can see the link given in the description box, and scholars, stay at home and stay safe. Okay.